There it is. Got the new blacked out tail lights, LEDs in it. And the new smoked fog lights in it. And those new LED headlights in it. The seat's fixed. Driver's side goes backwards and forwards and up and down. Steering wheel covers put on it. Yes. This Ford Expedition is coming together nicely. Alright, so this is the inside of our Expedition. Yeah, yep. Yeah. It's nice. It's three rows seated. It's nice. It's not the EL. But here's our lights. I put them on park, and we'll take a look at them. And this here's the front. We've got LED side markers in it. And on park lights, I've got this right here, which is a LED C. Runs around the headlights. Okay. Right now I'm running a standard turn signal bulb. Has a purpose for now. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It really is. I'll see if I can't shadow it some. And that's just with the park lights on. That's how much bright it is. So that's on the front. Pretty nice. Back here on the back. The reason why I wanted the C's on the front is because the back has got a C on it too. Even though they're blacked out back here, smoked out and all that, they also have the C on them, the C bar, which is really cool. This is the back of them. They work really nice too. That's a temporary tag, as you can see. It's new to us. Alright. We got LED bulbs in the front too. I'll turn on the fog lights. We got smoke tinted, smoke wind fog lights in it, brand new. And I'm waiting on the LEDs to come in for them. They're bright. Still haven't got my headlights on yet. Yeah, those are nice and bright. Those are just the heads. It's in there, HID, bulbs, whatever they call them. Turn on the headlights real quick. And that's the headlights. And that's on dim. You can kind of see the difference here. That's LEDs on dim. That's just park lights out there. That's with the headlights on dim. That's a bright switch. Yep, pretty nice. I like them. They are bright. I think I've got them adjusted just right too. So, as you can see, they're all lit up. Almost need to put a filter on here. So, make it look better. That's cool, isn't it? Turn on my signal and let you see the back as my signal's on. It's kind of a lengthy video, but hey, I got 6 sets of lights that I'm doing here on this. Here's my turn signal. Of course, my front. You can see it blinking on the ground. It's bright enough. You can see it. Yep. And I did not want my C-bar flashing with my signal, so did not want that. But check this out back here, man. This is really cool. Oh yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I like it. That's neat. Hit your brakes and the big square lights up. Only and stays lit up, so yep. That's it. That's how dark it is out here. I'm getting ready to get out Big Eagle SCX6. We're gonna play with it. Hey. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. Put a seat switch in this vehicle, and now the seat works. It goes forward and backwards. It wasn't moving at all, but now it's moving. All it needed was a seat switch, so pretty good deal. $20 seat switch on Amazon, and it works. Fixed my seat. Yes, it did. Yeah, it come with this travel topper too for the rack up here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yes, sir, it is. Pretty cool travel topper up there. Put some LED lights on it. No, I'm just kidding. Nice rack though. We've got it loaded down with some of the Mamaws Artsy shop and some of my 3D print stuff that we're taking to the shows and selling. So hopefully we can meet y'all out there sometime. Have a good one, guys.